Hello, Moon. Good evening, good evening. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, Moon's brother. Where is Moon?
Moon is going to the place.
um,
What do you country?
Hello, Moon. Where are you?
Moon is going soon.
Oh, okay,
Here.
sure. I will wait for Moon.
4 minutes.
Okay,
Hey. Moon is coming now.
okay, sure.
Yes. Sure.
Hi. Hi,
What?
Moon. Good
What the
evening.
motorcycle? What?
Huh? What? Good evening, Moon. Good evening, and it's nice to see you again. How are you today?
I'm
How
happy.
are I'm happy. Wow. Can I see?
Moon. I'm happy.
Oh, your name. Your name is here, Moon. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Did you already eat your dinner, Moon? Did you already eat? Nom nom nom. Did you already eat? Yes or no?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Jacket. Apple.
Wow.
Moon.
Moon.
Pumpkin. Corn. Leaf. Mm,
What's this?
apple. Two
Apple.
apple.
Okay, again.
Two
Let's read two apple. Oh yeah,
Let's begin.
there are two apple. I can see.
Begin to teacher. Let's begin to the color.
Okay, let's begin the color. Okay, but first, let's read this one again, Moon. Let's say rake. Rake,
Brick.
rake.
Brick.
Okay,
Brick.
perfect.
Pumpkin.
Next is acorn.
Corn.
Acorn.
Acorn.
Okay, very,
Acorn.
very good. So now let's remove the
That moon.
yes,
Moon.
moon. Okay, now let's answer. Let's answer the things or the pictures. So we had learned this last time and let's review if you still remember the words. Let's check.
Teacher, do not even so I.
Oh, what is picture number 1? What is that? What
Teacher, do
uh
not even so I.
ah
What is it?
yes, very
It's
good.
a moon.
Moon, very good. It's a moon. Next, what is this? Is it
A
an
leaf.
it's a
Leaf.
leaf? Okay, can you draw a line?
Leaf.
Leaf? Where is the leaf word?
Oh.
Okay, very good. Nice job. Okay, next, picture number 3. What is this?
It's a corn.
Corn. Very good. Where is the word corn? Corn, corn, corn. Where is the word? Okay, very good. Wow. Nice job. Next. Picture number 4. What is that?
It's a
What's
jacket.
it's a jacket. Very good. Okay, good job. Picture number 5. What is that?
It is a pumpkin.
It is a pumpkin. Very good. Nice, nice, nice. How about this?
It is a apple.
Apple. Good job. It is an apple. Next.
It is an acorn.
Acorn. Wow, very good. It is an acorn. And the last one is?
It a rat.
Okay, one more time. Let's say rake.
Red.
Okay, perfect. Very good. So these are all
Number
the...
block.
No, what is that?
Mẹ ơi, mẹ
Number block?
em của con đâu? Không biết con.
What is that? Can I see?
Của con đâu? Cam là của con.
Is it a number block?
Đưa con cam đâu? Number
Oh.
block. This.
Oh, wow.
Lúc trước là mẹ ấn như này là
It's not a
nhưng mà bây giờ
Lego.
không còn. Đấy, bây giờ nó tắt rồi. Đấy, cứ bật lên như này nó nghe có cái.
It's not a Lego. Not a Lego.
No. No.
It's a number block. Oh. Now, Moon, what is your favorite number? What's your favorite number? Is your favorite number... Do you like number 1, number 2, number 3? What do you like?
I like number 4.
Oh, number 4. Wow. Okay, good job. So now, so very good in this activity where we name the pictures. Now, let's move on and have another activity where we complete the sentences. Pumpkin, very good. Now, let's read the sentence and let's complete the word that is missing. What's the word? The kids
The kids
are playing with
a pumpkin.
pumpkins. Okay, again, let's read the sentence. The kids are
playing
with
pumpkin.
Okay, very good. Now, Moon, do you like pumpkins? Yes or no? Do you like pumpkins? Yes?
What?
Do you like pumpkins?
No.
Why? Pumpkins are very delicious.
I don't like pumpkin.
Oh, you don't like...
I like tomato.
Okay, you like tomatoes.
I like tomato. Okay.
Oh, wow, it's so good. How about, do you like to play with pumpkins?
No, I like playing with tomato.
You like to play with tomatoes? Oh no.
No. Ew.
Ew,
Ew.
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 Okay, so next. Oh, do you know who is this? Moon? It's Pikachu.
Yum.
Yes, yum. What is Pikachu?
Yum.
What is Pikachu eating? Pikachu?
Apple.
Okay, very good. Pikachu is eating an apple. Okay, again, let's read the sentence. Pikachu.
Yum.
Num.
Yum.
Let's read. Pikachu is eating an apple. Very Num. Do you like apples?
Yes.
Yes, very good. How about this one? Look at the picture, Moon. What fruit is this? This green fruit. What fruit is that?
Red.
Grapes. Very good. How about this one? Is it an orange? Is it orange?
No.
Yes. No. What fruit is that? It's, we call it as peach.
Peach.
Okay. Do you like grapes, Moon? Do you like
No.
grapes? No, really?
Tomato and
Tomato, tomato
and apple
ah,
and orange
oh, your favorite banana.
and banana.
Oh, those are your favorite
I like
fruits?
apple and tomato and
Tomato.
banana.
Wow, those are very delicious. Good job. Okay, next. Let's move on to
Yum.
our next picture. Wow.
Moon! It is a moon, teacher!
Very, it's your name, Moon. Okay, now let's read the question and the sentence. I see, I see the
The moon.
moon in the in
Sky.
the sky. Very good. What a moon. What do you like the most? Do you like the sun or do you like the moon? What do you
I
like the
like
most?
moon.
I like moon. Very good. I also
I
like
like moon.
moon.
Very,
I,
very beautiful.
very, very beautiful. Very good. And when it is also night, it is not hot. That's why I also like the moon.
It,
Because
it is nice.
yes, it is night. Where can we see the moon? In the morning or at night?
At night.
Okay, very good. So we can see moons only at night. Very good. Next,
It's morning.
in the morning we can see, what can we see in the
We can,
morning?
we can see moon at night.
Yes. How about in
We
the
can see,
morning?
we can see the sun in
In
the
the
mm,
morning.
morning.
Okay, very good. Wow, good job. Good job. So next, wow, what animal is this?
Of course, squirrel.
Squirrel. Very good.
Squirrel.
Do you like squirrels?
Yeah, I like.
Yeah. Oh, you like. Now, let's see. Squirrel is eating something. What is squirrel eating? Squirrel
Squirrel is
eating.
eating something.
Oh, what is
Coconut.
it? Is it a coconut,
No,
acorn, or corn?
not.
What is it? Is it a coconut, acorn, or corn?
It is a coconut.
Is it a coconut?
No, no.
No. So squirrels, they do eat acorn. Acorn, acorn, acorn. A-
Acorn, Daddy.
yes, acorn is their favorite food. Yes, like this. So the squirrel, again, what is the squirrel eating, Moon?
The squirrel is eating mm, acorn.
Okay, very good. Acorn. Next. Oh, what can you see
It's a
in the
leaf.
picture? Leaf. Okay, how many leaves? How many leaves can you see in the picture?
And see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a many, many.
Yeah, it's so many, many. There are many, many leaves. Now, what are the colors of the leaves?
It's yellow and red.
And red?
Or
And
only is a green leaf.
uh, do we have a green leaf here? No.
No, only flower leaf is green leaf.
Yes, only flowers. We can see green leaves or leaves in the flower. Now, what are the colors again of these leaves? It's yellow, red, and what is the other color that we can see in the fall season? We also have orange.
The other hand, orange.
Okay, now let's read the sentence.
Orange, orange, orange.
Wow, very good. Now, let's read the sentence. The leaves
The leaf is
are
or yellow and
red
red.
and
Yellow. No,
orange.
orange.
Okay, very good. So those are the colors of the leaves, especially when it is the fall season. Next. Okay, let's take a look at this clothing. What clothing is this, Moon? It's the
A jacket. Hat
jacket.
coat.
Very good. Do you have a jacket?
Yeah, I have.
Yes, I have.
Look
What?
at the set.
Oh, what color is your jacket?
Yeah.
What color is your jacket? Oh, you're gonna get it.
So look at the
Oh, that's a lot. Those are your jackets?
some are
Wow.
dress, some
Oh,
are jacket and many.
oh, there are a lot of jackets there above. Oh, what is that? What's that? Is that your favorite jacket? Wow, it's color pink. Is that your favorite jacket?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, it's so cute. It's color pink. Now close, close. Okay, good job. So that is the jacket. Next, let's move on to our next object. Oh.
One jacket, two jacket, three jacket, four jacket, five
Oh,
jacket, six jacket,
oh,
seven jacket, eight jacket, nine jacket, 10 jacket, 11 jacket, 12 jacket, 13 jacket. I have 13 jacket.
wow, that's a lot. Those are your jackets? 13 jackets?
I have many jacket.
Many, many jackets. Wow, that's so good. Okay. Now, so thank you for so much for sharing your about your jackets. Now, let's move on to our next thing that we can see in the fall. What is this? It's
A leaf.
the leaf. Very good. It's a leaf. What is the color of this leaf? What's the color of this leaf? Is it red, yellow, or orange?
It is orange.
Okay, very good. It's orange. Now, Moon, what is your favorite color of leaves? Do you like
Um,
do you like yellow leaf or in leaf? What is your favorite color in leaves? Do you like yellow leaf, red leaf,
red leaf,
or
yellow
orange?
leaf, red leaf, orange and leaf, and green leaf.
Yes. What's your favorite color among these colors of leaves? What's your favorite color? Do you like yellow leaf?
No, I like.
What do you like? Do you like green leaf?
No, I like.
What do you like?
I like.
I like.
mm,
Do you like
Red leaf.
red? Oh, red leaf. Wow. I also like red leaf. Okay, next. Oh, let's move on to our next.
Farm.
It is fall again. So let's review the fall season. So when we say fall, fall, okay, very good. So when we say fall season, fall, it is where the leaves turn yellow, orange, and red. It falls from the ground. So this is the fall season. So now let's move on to our question here. So from what we had learned, so what are the things that we can see in the fall season, Moon? From what we had learned, or what the words that we had learned, what are the things that we can see in the fall season?
For scissors.
Yes,
It can only is the pumpkin.
very good.
Leaf green. Green leaf. Green leaf.
Okay, very good. So we can see, or I can see, pumpkins in the fall season. Very good. And also we
Not
can
the bicycle.
yes, very good. So these are the things that we can see, or we can see a lot of pumpkins. So it is in the fall season. Next, do you know, Moon, which month does fall begin? Which month?
Hmm? It is.
Is it
It
in
is.
December?
It is.
do you, do you know? Yes or no?
No.
No, okay. So remember, especially in Vietnam, Moon, fall starts in September. So in Vietnam,
I'm from in Vietnam.
yes, there is a fall season in Vietnam, and it starts in September, or in the month of September. Next, how long does it last? So
Mulan,
f-
mulan,
so
mulan,
f- so for the
mulan,
fall
mulan, mulan.
for the
Mulan.
okay, so for the fall season in Vietnam, Moon, it lasts for 3 months. So from September, October to November. And after that, we will have another season, which is winter. Do you know winter, Moon?
What I very cool.
Yes, it's very cold. That's why or it will be our next lesson in our next class on Tuesday about winter. So there is snow. Next, okay, look at the picture, Moon.
Mulan, mulan, mulan.
Look at the picture. So in Vietnam, there is a big
Vietnam
festival in
it
fall.
comes from Mulan.
Hmm? What is it?
Vietnam it comes from Mulan.
Come from Mola? What is that?
Alone.
Okay, in Vietnam, there is a big festival that happens in fall season. So what is it? What is it? Okay, so we call this one Mid-Autumn Festival. Let's say Mid-Autumn Festival or the Tết-Thu. Tết Trung Thu. We call it as Tết Trung Thu in Vietnam. Okay. It's a mid-autumn festival. So it usually happens in September when families celebrate the full moon.
Sometimes it only moon name.
Yes, so we celebrate it in Vietnam during the full moon, the bright full
Sometimes
moon.
only it next water motorcycle. It's very large water motorcycle.
Oh, it's very, very large. Wow. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next one. So we have here, what letter is this, Moon? What letter?
It's letter F.
Okay, very good. It's letter F. Now, let's find all of the words that starts with letter F. And we will write those words. So this one. Let's take a look at this one, Moon. What is this? What is this, Moon? Look at the picture. What is this? This one. Look at the picture.
It
Leaf. Very good. Is does
leaf. Sometimes it's only leaf.
yes, leaf. Does leaves?
Teacher, leaf it only letter
Yes.
what cycle.
Does it starts with
It only is the orange circle.
okay. Does it
The motorcycle with a leaf.
Oh, does it starts with letter F, the leaf? Does it starts with letter F, Moon? Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh? Does it starts with letter F? What letter is this? This is letter L.
L.
Is it letter F?
No.
No. So it doesn't starts with letter F. How about this one? What is this?
It is a frog.
Okay, one more time. I say frog.
Frog.
Okay, does it starts with letter F?
Mm.
Does it starts with letter F? Yes or no?
No.
Huh? Is this not a letter F? Oh no.
Yes.
Oh yes, it starts with letter F. Frog. Next, what animal is this? This is fish. Fish. Okay. How about
Yes. Mom,
yes, letter F.
Yes.
How about this? What is this?
It is a corn.
Corn. So it doesn't starts with letter F. How about this one? What number?
It's number 5.
Number 5. It starts with letter S. Yes or letter F? Yes or no? Yes. How about this? This is
It is red.
okay, very good. Rake. So does it starts with letter F? No. Okay. Very good. So let's read the words that we have. Starts with letter F. Frog. Fish. 5. Okay. Okay. So good job. Good job, Moons, for this lessons. I think it's the end of our time. So we will have our new lesson next time, which is all about winter. So thank you very much for your time today, Moon, and see you again soon. See you again next
Bye-bye.
Tuesday.
Wow, it's hard.
It's hard. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So